Today we are going to be test kitchening a product. So sometimes we cook items from different cultures, right? Or as a science project, we look at baking, how does yeast work, all kinds of things like that. How does chocolate melt? Different techniques for doing those things. I'm going to be honest, I don't cook with a lot of packets, so I'm a little put offish by that, but I'm going to try to have that not cloud my judgment on what we think of said product. So said product is called Plant-Inspired Superfood Skillet. So kind of a healthy sound, I guess, savory, Tuscan style, slow cooked ragu, flavored tofu crumbles. I'm not going to lie, I'm put off by a little tofu, but I'm trying to remain positive about this, with sofrito of vegetables and cauliflower rice. Now, my first thought of that was like, all right, we like rice. And then my second thought, as I'm reading the label on the back, there is no rice involved here. So it's rice made from cauliflower. I've never had that. I've heard that cauliflower is a hip, healthy alternative that's cool at the moment. I don't know. Again, I'm trying to remain positive on that fact. So to look this up, I have already pre-read the directions on the back, and it says, step one, you either cut a little hole and you can put it in the microwave. I'm not much on microwave cooking. I personally think that usually makes things kind of taste a little subpar. So we're going to use the skillet method that it also lists on there. So you just cut it open, dump it in the skillet, which we have already done. So as you're looking at this, it's kind of got a beef, like we've ground beef, like we've made some taco meat, right? It's kind of what it looks like. So the look is appealing and okay. The smell of it smells a little better now. When I first opened the packet, not gonna lie, it was a little put offish. It was kind of gagging me, but it doesn't smell as bad now. So, okay, it says to heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes in the skillet. So we're gonna do that. So we're just turning on the heat. There's the flame, we're turning it on. And so it just says stir it around for 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna get that going, and then we're gonna try it and see what do we think. All right, so again, we're gonna try to remain open-minded, and we're going to see what we think about this. Now, it says on the package that serving suggestions, it's supposed to be delicious and you can eat it exactly like this, or you can serve it like with noodles, with rice, in a sandwich, in a wrap, whatever. So we're going to try it straight on, and then we're going to try, see what we would suggest. Okay, so the boys were asking what's in this. So the main ingredient is organic tofu, which is made from soybeans. Soybean curd basically is what we got going on there. And then flour, like as the thickener, whatever. Onions, cauliflower, green bell peppers, canola oil, soy sauce, tomato powder, a little bit of brown sugar, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and oregano to flavor it. So that's it. So it's supposed to be a healthy food for you. It's supposed to be, trying to be plant-inspired. So even though it looks like a hamburger, there is absolutely no meat involved whatsoever. So there you go. So plant-inspired. Okay, so suggestion from the boys that we make a wrap out of this. We did find some wrappers that were around the house, so open this up, put one out. What would be some other thoughts on how we could enhance this?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce, maybe. Yeah.
Hot sauce.
What if you had some lettuce shreds?
Beans.
Yeah, if you put some black beans in there. wrap up, we took the stuff, heated up in the skillet, we test tried it. We decided that it wasn't that bad, but it would definitely be enhanced doing something with it. So we tried it in burrito wrappers with a little bit of lettuce. Here we've made with lettuce and some hot sauce in there, which again, the boys thought that was enhanced. We thought also if you put some black beans or something else in there, that also might enhance. Probably over rice would also be good. So despite my earlier reticence about this and a little bit of bias, it was actually a pretty good product. Would I actually go out to the store and buy it myself? Probably not. But seeing as that we've got a whole bunch of it sitting at the house, I am not feeling too bad now about having it, and I guess we will actually use it. So that's exciting. So that would be our takeaway from that it's not a bad product. All right, so if you enjoyed this at all, if you'd like to see more content, if you'd like to see what else we got going on here, what other things we might be trying, like and subscribe down below and check back in.
Yo, happy Mother's Day, Mom. Sorry you didn't see this till the day after, but go check on your computer for a surprise. Yeah, number one mom, right there.